When the weather is that nice on a Sunday, the last thing you want to do is roast pork or roast beef. So the easiest thing to do is roast chicken. So let me show you my recipe. All you have to do is lemon zest, lemon juice, chop some garlic, rosemary, chop some rosemary, mix it all together in a large bowl with some olive oil, bat your chicken in the mix and stick it in the oven. For the first 25 minutes, skin down. After that, turn it upside down and cook until the skin is golden brown, nice and juicy. Let's do it. see, guys, it took me only 5 minutes to prepare this guy. I don't know about your oven, but with my oven I normally go for 220 degrees. 20 minutes, skin down, I flip it, another 20 minutes, and I'm done. Enough time, as my guest, obviously I don't have a watch, as my guests are coming in 1 hour. Enough time to go and buy some white wine. As I've got some leftover potatoes from last night, they were boiled and peeled. I don't even know why I did it. I will scatter them around the chicken 5 minutes before the chicken is ready, so they can absorb this lemony, garlicky, rosemary taste. To be honest with you, if I didn't have them, I would just serve this chicken with salad. Now it's time to go and buy some wine.